Clark, professional triple threat. Dance is the main skill for me. I've trained all my life for a single audition, and now I get the chance to feel free. My main skill is dance. I've danced since I was 2. That's why I talk non-stop about my dances. It's fun even when my body is sore. It's fun even when I don't have solo chances. I spin across the globe looking for a stage. Dancing takes me places I've never been before. The more I spin, the further I travel, all the way to London or just across the shore. I took my time to build myself up. It hasn't been easy to get this far. Broken bones, sore muscles, and even more work. Legs overstretched just to become a star. It's not just stretching that hurts my body. Choreography is strict and painful too. I usually feel like I'm about to collapse, but I just have to keep running it through. Every time I dance for hours on end, the sweat ends up pouring down my forehead. It pours onto the floor, making it difficult not to slip. And after a long day of dance, I end up in bed. It's not just dance, it's singing and acting. I sing till my voice is cracked and dry. I act till my body is dead and crying, but that doesn't mean I'm ready to die. Singing was always second preference for me, but I love to explore a new world through song. Acting started in a high school production. From there, it kept building and nothing went wrong. I will agree to any chance to perform. As I said, I look for stages to perform on. I feel I need to spread this beauty across the globe. The beauty of performance should be shown from dawn. As I am waiting backstage for my grand entrance, the stench of hairspray and makeup fills the room. I cough until the show's end. That's the beginning of my gloom. My final dance begins like this. A loud bang erupts and the music begins. I flip onto the stage like a swinging monkey and follow with a turning jeté in 2 spins. I run to one end of the stage and I pose a turn on the diagonal the other way. All is going well until a sudden commotion. I slip on a bead and fly up into the light's ray. I feel light as air for a second or two, then the wind blows around me as I fall. Falling, and I don't stop until I reach the floor and I feel like I've hit a wall. Everyone side stage sprints towards me and screams, Jess, you'll be okay." I feel excruciating pain in my back, legs and feet. The nurse rings an ambulance and orders, "Get here today." The paramedics slowly lift me up and I scream. They place me back down in the back of an ambulance. "Calm down and relax, we will knock you out now." And with a needle and a drink, I fall straight into a trance. 6 months later, I'm out of a hospital bed. Trying to walk and keep balance is a trick. I will go through rehab for a couple of years, but right now, my dance flame is a burnt candle wick. I would do anything to dance just once more, a trick or a turn instead of the tick of a clock. Dance was my life until the accident occurred. Now it's no more than a dream with a lock. It will take years for me to build back my strength. Until then, I have to make do with strength training behind bars. The bars will help me balance while walking, but really, I want to plie and train on point shoes, not treat battle scars. Jessica Clark, professional triple threat. Dance was the main skill for me. I trained all my life for a single audition. For now, I can't dance, but in the future, well, we'll see.
Maybe I'm not the skinniest girl, but you don't have to tell me. Maybe I'm not the prettiest girl, but I already know this, can't you see? You think you're perfect, but there is just one flaw. You pick on others just like me, and cut through us like a saw. Fragile imperfections, and shatter like glass. Your fragile imperfections aren't as strong as brass. Everyone's got at least one flaw, so don't pick on people like they are strong. my fragile imperfection, the little square qualities. You say that I don't pass. I may not be as flexible as you and your squad, but my heart is very stretchable. I don't judge people, my friendship's broad. You think you're perfect, but there is just one glitch. You pick on others just like me and kill us like a witch. Fragile imperfections and shatter like glass. My fragile imperfections aren't as strong as brass. Everyone's got at least one flaw, so don't pick on people like they are strong. My fragile imperfection, the little square qualities. You say that I don't care what you say about me. If I did, I'd be pleading hard to press play. I don't know what to do. The annoying thing is you ignore it, ignore it, ignore it. Ignore it, ignore it, ignore it. Don't listen to them, listen to yourself. Fragile imperfections and shatter like glass. My fragile imperfections aren't as strong as brass. Everyone's got at least one flaw, so don't pick on people like they are strong. My fragile imperfection, the little square qualities. You say that I don't pass. My fragile imperfections and shatter like glass. Shatter like fragile imperfections aren't as strong as brass. Everyone's got at least one flaw, so don't pick on people like they are strong. My fragile imperfections, the little square qualities. I don't care that I don't pass. I don't care that I don't pass. My fragile imperfections.